I got so much motherfucking design on right now.
Break it down, bring it back, make it clap. I got 3 old thoughts, new guap, where that thing. Bitches on my line, and you know.
First, stapler. Second, stapler refill or staplers. And third, paper. First, open the stapler. To open the tool, hold the base of the tool and pull on the top until it is fully open and the stapler trap is visible. Then, insert the staplers by pressing the top of the stapler down until it snaps into place. Third, gather separate sheets of paper and make sure they are facing in the same way and in the correct order before stitching them together. Finally, position the left corner of the paper and click sound will be heard when the paper is put together.
Hi, fuck